Are you tired of using your boring, dull, non-mechanical pencil sharpener every day?
I know I am.
Well, don't worry, 'cause now you have the mechanical pencil sharpener. Yay! Introducing a new mechanical pencil sharpener. Makes your sharpening experience extraordinary. Yay!
Great, the pencil sharpener. Get rid of your old pencil sharpeners and get a new one.
Donate today.
Precipitation, the water cycle never stops, you see. CYCLE, that's the cycle and you know it's like that. The earth recycles water, you know it's not whack. It's all natural, it's not coincidental. Keep the water clean 'cause that's environmental.